Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make dumplings. There are so many different types of dumplings, but today we're going to make pork pot stickers. They are quick and easy to make and so much better than frozen dumplings. Alright, so let's start with our pork belly. We need to cut this into strips to fit into our meat grinder. There's a nice percentage of fat to meat on the pork belly, which is going to help keep our dumplings nice and juicy. Now for the pork shoulder, or it's also called a pork butt. This has a nice ratio of fat to meat on it, but if it doesn't have a lot, we can always add in more pork belly. Just like the pork belly, we need to cut this into strips to fit into our meat grinder. Now we just need to grind our meat using the 3/16 inch die on our meat grinder. Microplane your garlic and your ginger, and here's a quick tip, do it onto a piece of parchment paper to avoid any mess. Cut your scallion into thin rings, make sure you use the whites and the greens. Add in your salt, sugar, chicken powder, which is essentially MSG, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and your green onions. Now we just need to mix our filling to blend everything together. I mix it on low speed to get everything incorporated, then turn the speed on high to break down the fat and have it emulsify with the meat. This is what you're looking for. Should be soft, but hold its shape together and not fall apart. You're going to wet half the dumpling with water and put your filling in the center. Pick it up, pinch it together in the center, and then you're going to take half of it and fold 1, 2, 3, and then same thing on the other side, 1, 2, and 3. Turn it over and just kind of round it out to make this nice crescent moon shape. Now we just need to drop them in boiling water. We just want to make sure that the filling is cooked all the way through, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. When the dumplings are ready, I like to drain them on a paper towel for a second to soak up any extra water so it doesn't flare up in the pan. The last thing we need to do is sear the dumplings in a non-stick pan with a little bit of sesame oil. We just want to sear them on one side till it gets nice golden brown and crispy. Then we're just going to top these with some of our house-made chili crunch. Thanks for watching my video on how to make pork dumplings. If you found value in this video, leave me a comment and let me know. You can follow me on my Instagram at A Chef and a Spoon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.